yes, of course, women are God gifted, to balance so many things with perfection. Shows with, extremely not as with perfection, I would say, but really they try their best that each and everything should be in place. So definitely, I would feel that they shouldn't have to be superheroes or super moms.
Absolutely.
Yes.
No way, because I do believe that there's a lot of expectation that people have from women to be a mom, to be a good wife, to be a good professional. Everyone doesn't need to excel in everything.
Correct.
It's okay.
It is all about the
Yes,
societal
yes,
pressure which
absolutely.
comes.
And we hear a lot of things now on social medias only about this, that love yourself first,
Yes, of
know
course.
your worth, give yourself the due love that you need to,
And
and only
without
then can you do it
without
for
anything.
others.
Because many women also, while in process of doing all these things, they go to a guilt state that, oh my God, these things are pending. My mom's mom's work is pending, and being a daughter-in-law or daughter's responsibilities are pending. So we would suggest that definitely they should do all these things without in a guilt-free state. So that's really amazing to know your thought. Next, I would like to ask you, ma'am, with more women in education and careers, why do some still question women's relevance, feminism's relevance, of course?
Feminism's relevance can't be really questioned, and that's totally my viewpoint. Of course it is relevant, and it's because of all this advocacy and the belief. We have had a lot of changes, uh, and it's the women who have fought for other women and themselves. um, and one of the biggest examples is the Posh Act,
Yeah.
that has created a huge change in the corporate world. um, so the relevance of feminism can't be questioned, but feminism does not restrict itself to education or careers either. It's a much broader. Uh, it has a much broader scope, so to say. Uh, Starting from, again, I would go back to the mindset of people. The mindset of not only men. I would say the mindset of women themselves, like we were just discussing. Um, don't expect so much from yourself. So, and tell yourself that you can. The determination, not giving up. So all those things, the mindset shift, and not only, and we are broadly talking about people like us. How about the people who are not so privileged? You know, uh, I keep thinking about them. Uh, they need a proper scope, opportunity, proper place to grow themselves. I think feminism does need to go to that level uh, to achieve its success, like we were talking about.
Absolutely. Yes. What is holding back to women to progress in their careers, or maybe as a human in their lives? So, what is that?
We have discussed on and off a lot of this,
Yeah.
but from the corporate perspective, I am in the beauty industry for the last almost 4 years now. So it's a woman dominated industry, and it's wonderful to see companies having 80%, and the different work we do to cater to the women in the organization, so that they can manage their life and work at the same time. Uh, Having said that, I would say we still have gender stereotypes. We still have our unconscious biases, uh, that stops us from uh, career advancements of women. So, for example, I have heard, and I, without naming companies, actually it's across companies, I would say, where people would say, I don't want a girl for this role. Don't want a woman for this role. They cannot travel, or they cannot stay late. And it is justifiable maybe to some extent because of the expectations people also have at home. Uh, and maybe the role demands a lot of travel, the role demands a lot of staying late at work.